Hello students, this is your math teacher Manjunath Patel sir. Today we are going to learn about arithmetic progression. Before that, arithmetic progression, we have to learn progression. What is progression? First is here underline word a certain pattern. A number set follows a certain pattern that is called a progressions. Here you can observe 800, 8500, 9000. What you observe? What is the next number after 9000? That is 9500. How you can guess that? Difference 8000 to 8500. What is the difference? Is 500. And 8500 to 9000. What is the difference? 500. So what is the next number? It's a 9500. Here this number are following some pattern. See here 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, 31. What is the next number? That's 29. You can say that difference is common between the consecutive numbers. So difference is common. What is that? 2. In this number, difference is not same. You can observe this difference is not same. Here 2500 is a difference. Here above 2500 the difference is there. Then this is also progression. Here differences is equal, but here is not a differences are equal, although it is a progression. Here consecutive numbers are following a 5/4 times the next number. 10,000 5/4 number is 12,500. 12,500 5/4 number is 15,625. So here it is also a progression. Next number. Next 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. What is the next number? What is the next number? 4 square. And next number 5 square. It is also one of the pattern. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. That is also a progression. So we can if we write 1 square, after that 2 cube, after that 4 raised to 10, it is not a progression. If we write 1 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4, that is only the progression. Next, come to this number 10, 100, 150, 200, 250. What is the next number? 300. You can guess the easily. How you can possible? If numbers are in progression, then also then only we can answer the next number. Here you can guess the next number. Take a time. Guess it what? So next 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 3 8. What is the next number? So next number is what? So 5 plus 8 13. That is the answer. So here it is also a progression. So number here following a certain pattern. What is the pattern? We already told this. Numbers following a certain pattern. Here is some examples are there. Here is some arithmetic progressions. Examples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe the first example. Observe the difference. What is the difference between any consecutive number? Here is 1. Here 100, 70, 40, 10. So difference is 30. Any consecutive number difference is 30. Next here, what is the difference between any two consecutive number? Is 1. Here is 0. Difference is 0. Then also it is a progression. Here difference is 0.5. 0.5 number is the difference here. So these are all arithmetic progressions example. If difference any two consecutive numbers difference is equal, then it is called arithmetic progression. Here we take a definition of arithmetic progression. Read the underlined definition of progression. What is a progression? Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. What does it mean? Each term obtained by adding a fixed number. Here observe the examples. Observe the examples. First term is 1. In first example, first term is 1. Adding equal number to next number is 2. Adding the same number 1, 2, it becomes 3. Adding the same number 1, 2, it becomes 4. Always equal number added to next number, so it becomes a arithmetic progression. Simply it's maybe you get longer to study definition. Simply write what I told you. Take a simple definition of arithmetic progression other than a book definition. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. Difference between any two consecutive numbers is equal, then it is called a arithmetic progression. Simple definition, once again repeat. In a progression, a difference between any two consecutive numbers are equal, that is called arithmetic progression. Okay. What is the difference called? The difference is called common difference, denoted by D. The common difference is denoted by D. A common difference may be a positive, negative, or maybe 0. Here observe, in this common difference is 1. In fifth example, the common difference is in negative. In the fourth example, common difference is in 0. So the common difference may be 0, positive, or negative. What is it may be? Okay. So next, a general form of an AP. Observe here, general form of AP is, you can ask in exam also, what is the general form of an AP? That is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. What is the last term of that? Last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. After we can learn that, okay, leave it. There are finite number of terms. That progression is called finite arithmetic progression. If progression has an infinite number of progressions, that called infinite arithmetic progression. A, if you take A as 2 and D as 2 and D as 3. Here A as 2 and D as 3. What we get? First term A is 2, and next A plus D means 2 plus 3. A plus D means 2 plus 3, it is 5. Next A plus 2D. A plus 2D means write 2 in place of A, write 3 in place of D. So third one what becomes 8. Write 2 in place of A, also write 3 in place of A, and what fourth term becomes 11. You can check afterwards. Okay. So this is the arithmetic progression series. Observe here. What is the common difference here? 3. What is the common difference here? 3. This is also common difference is 3. How you can first term, you can write first term as A1. What is that? 2. So next term, second term is A2, that is 5. Third term is A3, that is 8. Fourth term A4, that is 11. Okay. A1 is first term, second term is 5, A3 third term 8, A4 fourth term 11. Okay, what is the fifth term? You can guess easily. A5, that is fifth term, that is 14. How you can get that? Simply adding 3 to the preceding number. Okay. Next we go through a example 1. For the AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Write the first term of A and the common difference. First, what is the first term? 3 by 2 is the first term. That is 3 by 2 is the first term. What is the common difference? D. What is the common difference? D. While finding the common difference, we have to write A2 minus A1. That is D. By finding the D common difference, we have to follow this pattern. What is the second number is 1 by 2 minus first term is 3 by 2. What is the difference between 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2? What is that? That is minus 1. You can check it afterwards. Okay, by using fractions difference. Okay. Next, go through a second example. Which of the following list of numbers form an AP. If they form AP, write the next term. All the 4 examples are given here. All the examples are not AP. Just we are going to find out which are AP or which are not AP. First example, 4, 10, 16, 22. What is the difference between any two consecutive numbers? 4 to 10, 6 number is difference. 10 to 16, 6 number is difference. 16 to 22, 6 number is difference. So difference is any two consecutive numbers is 6. Okay, so first question is that it is in the progression of AP. Okay, so second example, 1 minus 1. What is the difference between 1 and minus 1? That is 2. Minus 1 to minus 3, that is also 2. Minus 3 to minus 5, that is also 2. So common difference is always minus 2. That is also AP. Second example also is in AP. Go through third example. Minus 2 to 2. What is the difference between the minus 2 to 2? You can observe here. Minus 2 to plus 2. Difference is 4. Then third term to second term. Difference is minus 4. Difference is not equal here. A2 minus A1 is 4. A3 minus A2 is minus 4. Minus 4 and plus 4 not equal. So in third example is not in AP. So fourth example. What is fourth example? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So difference between first two consecutive numbers is 0. Difference between first two consecutive numbers is 0. Afterwards 1, 2, difference is 1 here. Afterwards 3, 2, difference is 1 here. 3, 3, difference between 3 and 3 is 0. So common difference is not equal here. Answer, observe the answer here. A2 minus 1 A1 is 0. A3 minus A2 is 0. A4 minus A3 is not 0. So common difference is not equal here. So fourth example is not in AP. Okay. So next we are going to solve the example exercise 5.1. Okay. Okay, ready? We are going through exercise 5.1. Question number 1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make as arithmetic progression and why? See, here 4 questions are there. In that, what are in AP, what are not in AP? We are going to find out that. First question. A tax fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for additional kilometer. Observe question first for the first kilometer. If taxi traveling 5 kilometer, for first kilometer we have to pay 15 kilometer. So for the next kilometer, 2 kilometers, we are not going to pay 15 plus 15, 30 rupees. We are paying 15 plus 8. What is that? 15 plus 8? What is that? 15 plus 8? 23. Next, for third kilometer, 23 plus 8, 31. For fourth kilometer, 31 plus 8, 39. So observe the difference. What is the difference between any two consecutive numbers is 8 now. So first question is in AP. Okay. So in Kannada, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿ ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದು 1ನೇ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 2ನೇ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಯ್ತು, 2ನೇ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 23 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 23 ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 8 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 31. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ 8 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 39. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ AP. So observe the second question. The amount of air present in cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So one cylinder air ಇದೆ, using a vacuum pump. Vacuum pump it means it removes the air. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಇರೋ ಏರನ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1/4 of the air. It means 1/60 of air present in the cylinder. Okay, 1/4 of this 160, it means ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 160 into 1/4 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು that is 40. So 40th 1/4 number is 10. Again 10th 1 by 4th number is 2.5. So here observe that what is the difference between 160 to 40? That is 120 difference is there. Again 40 to 10 difference is 30. 160 to 40 difference is 120. So common difference is not equal. So that's why second question not is in AP. In Kannada, one cylinder ಅಲ್ಲಿ 160 ಆಫ್ ಏರ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1/4 ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 1/4 ಏರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 160 1/4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 40 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 40 ಇದ್ದ 1/4 ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10. 10 1/4 ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2.5. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 160ಗೆ 140 ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 120 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 40 10 ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 120 ಆಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 30 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಎ ಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ಎ ವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ when it costs 150 rupees for the first meter and rises by 50 for each subsequent meters. Digging means removing the mud or sand for well. ಒಂದು ಬಾವಿನ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಮಣ್ಣು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಲಿನ 150 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಮಣ್ಣು ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು 150 + 150 ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ 150. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? 50 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 1 ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ 150. ಎರಡನೇ ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? 250 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ 150. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ದ 50 ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೀಟರ್ 150 + 50 200. So adding the third meter 200 + 50 250. So if we dig the 4 meter of well, so what is the next answer? That is 300. By adding this simply 250 + 50 we get what is that? 300. So it is also common difference is equal. What is the common difference here? 50. So common difference is equal. So third question is in AP. So third question is in AP. First and second question, first and third are in AP. So let us go through fourth question. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited in compound rate at 8% per annum. Compound interest. Compound interest, you go through compound interest formula. P into 1 + r by 100 whole raised to n. That is the compound interest. Put the principal 10,000 and the rate of interest 8. N means what is that? N times. N means time. So you find out the value of these numbers. Common difference is not equal. So it is not equal. So fourth question also not in AP. So by adding this we can get easily. First and third are in AP, second are and fourth are not in AP. Okay. Next go through a second question. Write first 4 terms of AP when first term A and the common difference is D are given as follows. A equal to 10, D equal to 10 in first question. So put the value here. A equal to 10. Okay, A equal to 10. Sorry, A equal to 10. Put here. What is that? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D. It is a general form. I already told you. General form of an AP. General form of arithmetic progression is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3 and so on. Okay. So put the value. Also A and A equal to 10, D equal to 10. Put the values here. A equal to 10. A equal to 10 plus D. What is the D? 10. So what first term is 10, Second term is 10 plus 10, 20. Third term, a plus 2d. Put the value of a, 10 plus 2. Difference is 10. Okay, what it become? 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. The value of this becomes 30. So whatever next fourth term becomes 40. So we can easily guess the next numbers. Okay. So go through second question. A equal to minus 2, D equal to 0. So answer, observe the second answer. A equal to 2, D equal to 0. So A1 minus 2, A2. A1 ಗೆ D ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ D ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ D minus 2 plus 0 becomes minus 2. A3, how we get A3? Adding D to A2. A3ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ A2ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? D ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. A4 ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ A3ಗೆ D ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ A10 ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 10ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 9ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ D ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. A1 equal to minus 2. A2, how you can get A2? By adding simply first term to D. Okay, that becomes minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. How we get A3? By adding D to A2. So minus 2 plus 0 again it becomes minus 2. How we get A4? A3 plus D minus 2 plus 0 it becomes minus 2. So common difference is 0. So value is also same. Okay, so that is the answer for second question. Next go through the third question. A is equal to 4, D equal to minus 3. Write simply A equal to 4, D equal to minus 3. So put this value in this formula. What is this? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D. Or simply follow this pattern. A value, what is the A value? 4. A value is 4. What is the D value? D minus 3. A value 4, D value minus 3. 4 minus 3, what it becomes? 1. First value A1 is 4. A2, what it becomes? A2. A1 plus D, 4 minus 3, it becomes 1. A3 ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A2ಗೆ D ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ A2 ಹಿಯರ್? 1. A2 is 1. A2ಗೆ D ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ D ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? minus 3 ಇದೆ. 1 minus 3 it becomes minus 2. A4, A3 plus D. A4 equal to adding the D to preceding number. What is the preceding number? A3. So A3 equal to A3 plus D. Sorry, A4 equal to A3 plus D minus 2 minus 3. What it becomes? Minus 5. So first one terms are 4 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 5. This is the answer here. Okay, so next go through a fourth question. A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so observe the answer here. A is equal to, first term is minus 1. How do you get second term? Second term A2 is equal to ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ? -1 ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ 1/2 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? -1/2 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. A3, ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ A3? ಆ್ಯಡ್ A2 ಟು D. So what is A2? That is -1/2. Okay, what is common sum D? 1/2. -1/2 plus 1/2. -1/2 plus 1/2. What it becomes? 0. Okay. What is A3? Therefore here A3 plus D it is becomes, what is A3? It is 0. 0 plus D. D, what is the D value? 1/2. 0 plus 1/2 it becomes 1/2. So first 4 terms are, what are the first 4 terms? Observe here. -1/2, sorry, -1, -1/2, 0, 1/2. These are the first 4 terms. So next, fifth question. Is that fifth question? A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 0.25. Okay. Answer, observe the answer here. A equal to minus 1.25, D equal to minus 0.25. So A1 is minus 1 by 1.25. How do you get A2? A1 plus D. A1 is minus 1.25. D is minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 minus 0.25, what becomes? Minus 1.50. How? A3? A2 plus D. What is A2? A2 is minus 1.50. What is D? Minus 1.25. So minus 150, minus 1.50 minus 1.25. What it becomes? Minus 1.75. So again A4 is minus 2.00. Minus 2.00 is equal to minus 2 also. Okay. So first four terms are here. Minus 2.1, minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, minus 2. Okay. So next question number 3. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So simply we can say, what is the first term? 3. First A number ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ A1. A1 equal to 3. Then how we can, first term is simply we can guess what is first term, that is A1. But how we can get the common difference? Simply that D equal to A2 minus A1. Observe the first question. What is A2? 1. Okay. What is A1? 3. 1 minus 3 value is 1. What is the difference between 1 minus 3? That is minus 2. So in first question A value is 3, D value is, what is D value? Minus 2. Okay. You can get the answer here also. Okay. A value is 3, common difference is minus 2. Next question, second question. In second question, A value minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. A value is, what is the first term here? Minus 4. So A equal to minus 5. Common difference, I already told you. What is common difference? D is equal to A2 minus A1. So what is A2 here? Minus 5. Second question, what is A2? Minus 5. Sorry. A2 is minus 1. A1 is minus 5. Okay. Minus 1. Minus to minus plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5, answer becomes, what answer becomes? 4. So D value is 4. In second question, A value is minus 5, D value is 4. Okay. Hope you understand. In third question, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So simply we can say first term is A by 3. So A value is 1 by 3. Okay. So second question, again D formula, A2 minus A1. What is A2? What is A2 here? 5 by 3. 5 by 3 minus A1, 1 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. What it becomes? 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3? It is 4 by 3. So A value is 1 by 3, D value is 4 by 3. Okay. I'm sorry. So D equal to second term minus first term. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, it becomes D value 4 by 3. Go through fourth question. Minus 1.6, minus 1.6, 1.3, 2.8, 3.9. So what is the first term? A value equal to 1.6. What's the D? Second term minus first term. D value equal to second term minus first term. What is second term? 1.7 minus first term 1.6. Second term minus first term, it becomes 1.1. So D value is here in fourth question 1.1. Okay. Next we go to fourth question. Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Okay. First term, observe that it is in AP or not. First question, it is in AP or not. What is the difference between 4 and 2? It is 2. What is the difference between 8 and 4? That is 4. So the common difference is not equal here. So just observe that in first question 2 to 4 difference is only 2. Okay. So next 4 to 8 difference is 4. So then it is not equal. Common difference in first two terms is 2 and next two terms is 4. So common difference is not equal here. So first question, first progression is not in AP. Okay. So next question, second question. First term is 2. Okay. What is 5 by 2 means? 5 by 2 means 2.5. No. Half of 5 by what it is? 2.5. So 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. So common difference is equal. No? So if common difference is equal, it is in AP. Second question is in AP. So what is the next? They ask that write 3 more terms. I observed here. Write 3 more terms. 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. So fourth term is 3. Fourth term is 3.5. What is fifth term? It is 4. What is next term? 4.5. So next 5. Okay. So in second question answer is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and next 4, and next 4.5 we can write it as 9 by 2. Next 9 by 2, next number is 5. So answer of second question is 4, 9 by 2, 5. Okay. Next third question, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 7 by 2. So observe the difference here. Always difference is 2. So in third question difference is equal to 2. So it is in AP. So you can easily, if it is in AP, we can easily guess the next 3 terms. What is the next 3 terms here? Minus 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2, comma, minus 11 by 2, comma, minus 13 by 2. Okay. So this is the answer for, these are numbers are the answer for third question. Okay. So fourth question, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2. Differences are equal or not? Minus 10 to 6, 4 differences there. Minus 6 to minus 2, 4 differences there. Minus 2 to plus 2, 4 differences there. So fourth question is also in AP. If it is in AP, we can easily guess. Add just 4 to 2. So next number is in fourth question, common difference is same now. So add common difference to 2. So what is the common difference is 4 now. So add 4 to 2, it becomes 6. Next number is 6. Add 4 to 6, it becomes 10. Add 4 to 10, it becomes 14. So fourth question answer is 6, 10 and 14. So simply add the common difference to a preceding number. So next fifth question. Okay. In fifth question, 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So it is not in AP. Okay, it is not in AP. So if it is not in AP, you don't get, it is impossible to get next 3 numbers. Okay. So sixth question also is not in AP. We can find the difference. If you find the difference, you can easily get it is not in AP. Okay. So seventh question. What is the difference between 0 to minus 4? That is 4. What is the difference from minus 4 to minus 8? That is also 4. So minus 8 to minus 12, that is also minus 12. What is the next number? minus 16, and next number minus 20, and next number minus 24. So answer for 7th question is this, minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Okay. So 8th question. So common difference is 0, no? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. All the terms are in minus 1 by 2. So common difference, what is the common difference here? 0. So if common difference is 0, what is the next number? That is also minus 1 by 2. 5th term is minus 1 by 2. 6th term also minus 1 by 2. 6th term also minus 1 by 2. Nth term also minus 1 by 2. So in 8th question, all the next 3 terms are, what are the next 3 terms are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So that is a simple question. In 9th question, of the 9th question, 1, 3, 9, 27. What is the difference between 1 and 3? That is 2. What is the difference between 9 and 3? That is 6. So common difference is not equal here. So it is not in AP. 9th question is not in AP. Okay. Again, 10th question, A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So it's a like terms are here. You studied like terms or unlike terms in 7th class. Okay. So for 10th question, A, 2A, 3A, 4A. You can easily subtract 2A minus A, it is A. Okay, 3A minus A, sorry, 3A minus 2A, that is also A. 4A minus 3A, that is also A. So common difference is equal here. What is the next term? 5A, 6A, 7A. So answer for 10th question is 5A, 6A, 7A. Okay. Next, 9th question. Sorry, 11th question. It is in progression, but it is not in arithmetic progression, because A square and minus A and A cube minus A square is unlike terms. A square, A cube, A raised to 4 are not in like terms. These are in unlike terms. So unlike terms difference is not equal. So 11th question also not in AP. So again 12th question also is not in AP, because root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, these numbers are not square numbers. If we don't get square numbers, we can easily say it is not in AP. So next, 13th question also, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, these are also not in square. Only root 9 is a square number, other are all not square numbers. So 13th question also not in AP. 14th question, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. So I write what is the 1 square? That is, what is 1 square? That is 1. What is 3 square? 9. What is 5 square? 25. What is 7 square? 49. Observe here, difference is 8 and difference is here. What is the difference between these two? 16. So difference is 8, here difference is 16. So common difference is not equal. So 14th question is not in AP. Okay. So last 15th question, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 72. That is also not in AP. So 14th question also, 15th question also is not in AP. Okay. So this completes your exercise 5.1.